It's 2026, and the commercial trucking industry is facing higher costs, stricter requirements, and new expectations from shippers, brokers, and insurance carriers. Here's everything you need to know about trucking insurance in about 2 minutes. Commercial trucking insurance exists to protect your business from the biggest risks on the road: accidents, injuries, property damage, cargo loss, and expensive liability claims. If you operate a truck for business, this coverage isn't optional. The foundation of every trucking policy is liability insurance. It covers bodily injury, property damage, and legal defense if your driver causes an accident. Most carriers now require higher liability limits in 2026 due to rising claim costs and nuclear verdicts. Next is physical damage coverage. This includes comprehensive and collision to protect your truck from crashes, theft, harsh weather, and vandalism. Cargo insurance is another must-have. Whether you haul general freight, equipment, food, or specialized materials, cargo coverage protects your load if it's damaged, stolen, or lost in transit. Many trucking companies also carry non-trucking liability for off-dispatch driving and umbrella coverage for extra protection against major lawsuits. So what does trucking insurance cost in 2026? Most single truck operations pay anywhere from $11,000 to $18,000 a year. Your rate depends on your drivers, your cargo, your safety record, your travel radius, and the type of truck you operate. Want to lower your premiums this year? Use dash cameras or telematics. Tighten your safety program. Hire experienced drivers. Avoid high-risk cargo when possible, and review your policy annually to eliminate unnecessary costs. In 2026, trucking insurance is all about protection, compliance, and keeping your business moving forward. To get expert guidance and competitive quotes, visit us at www.proinsgroup.com.